What I wanna give me opinionated peeps. So people remember me tell you no. So the man them out in full force, wicked in Jamaica right now with the robbery. Yes, I say, remember me tell you no, say Jamaica National Bank got robbed in Jamaica yesterday, and the bank has released images, of the whole situation. We go down, so me give you a little, briefing of the article, and it says Jamaica National has released surveillance images of an armed robbery at the Jamaicn Bank money shop in White House, Westmoreland on Tuesday morning. The robbers escaped with 3.3 million and a security guard's firearm in the incident, which took place at approximately 11:40 a.m. according to the financial institution. JN released images from surveillance footages which show 3 gun-toting male suspects in action during the robbery. The photos show 2 of the 3 robbers wearing denim jeans, masks, and caps, while the other appears in a hooded sweatshirt and mask. Jamaicn Bank, in a news release, stated that the incident occurred at approximately 11 a.m. None of the 4 employees or members of the public who were at the location were harmed. However, an armed security guard assigned to the location by guardsmen was injured during the incident. He has since received medical treatment, the company said. The gunmen stole cash of approximately 3.2 million and the security guard's firearm, the company said, adding that the hoodlums made their getaway in a stolen taxi cab. The location is currently closed, and the police and JN's security partners, guardsmen, are now on the scene conducting investigations. So people, boy, me I tell you, the thing we're going to Jamaica right now, enough are going on. You see from the videos when I show on earlier, right? When I show on, say, yo, the man them walk up on the brother way, I do him job and rob him, you understand? Then you have the biker brother them where go around, you understand, and I rob people. People are too much things are going on Jamaica right now. Too much things are going on Jamaica right now. You see, and as I said before, we know say robbery is something we are going long time. This is nothing new, but it look like say it just happen more and more. Is it that the COVID make more people get lay off? Is it that the COVID make more people get hungry and have to find different avenues? And I'm not making excuses for them because them can't find another way to do it instead of figure rob poor people. You understand me? I say now me see people a laugh and I say, yo, the man them get a good score, over 3 million is a good score, and Ray and all kind of things. Boy, Jano style. Now, me happy that nobody not get hurt. That's what me happy for. You understand? Well, them beat up the guardsman security still, but me glad say nobody not really dead or lose them life or seriously injured, cause them say he was treated and released. So that's what me happy for. Alright? But Jano, people, me tell you no. You have to be aware, you have to be cautious, you have to try to make sure say you're aware of your surroundings. I said that in the previous video, you understand? And I said this as well, this mask thing, yes, we have to protect ourselves from COVID, but this mask thing, it cause a serious problem. You understand? It is causing the criminals to come out even more now. You have to do like certain other countries. Even yes, where me there right now, when you are going to a bank or a business place, you have to pull down the mask off of your face and looking at the camera. Talk to me in the comment section. Your opinion matters.
Boy, unstoppable you.